Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys this arbitrage opportunity, because most of you guys in the group have been asking if this is still working, if this opportunity is still active. So I want to show you guys a live demo of this arbitrage. So most of you guys already have an account. For those of you that don't, you can just go ahead and register an account. After you register an account, you can start completing trades. You can start making trades. But we already have an account, so we're just going to be logging in. So guys, in this video I'm going to be doing in this video I'm going to be making trade with a little capital. We're going to be using around $50 dollar worth of USDT to make trade, and we're going to be seeing how much profit we're going to be making. So once you go over the account, you've completed your verification and you're ready to make trade, you can come over to the swap section. So in the swap section, where you can see we have our balance, which is the 56. We're going to be swapping everything to TRX. 56 TRX, we're going to be getting around 189 TRX. So I'm just going to click on confirm swap and wait for it. Okay, it was successful. So guys, so if you come over to the home, you can see that we have around the 189 TRX available in our balance. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be withdrawing this over to our Binance. So we're going to be making trades. Once we send it over to our Binance, we're going to be converting it back to USDT, and we're going to be in profit. We can see in Binance, if you come over to the convert section, in Binance, and sorry guys, my network is quite slow. If you come over to the convert section in Binance and we swap from TRX to USDT, you can see that 189 TRX is going to be equivalent to 60 USDT. So we just made around $4 profit from the $50 transaction. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on add funds. After clicking on add funds, we click on the on chain, then we click on USDT. Then make sure you select your Tron network, the TRC20. After you've done that, you copy the address. Now let's go back and we're going to click on the send. We're going to go over to send and we click on send. Wait for it to come. Okay, so now we're going to be selecting the wallet. We're going to be sending which is the TRX. Now we paste in the wallet which we copy from Binance, and we click on max. We click on withdraw now and wait for it to process. Okay, so that's it. That's how fast it is. So what I'm just going to do is to wait for withdrawal. Okay guys, so you can see that we have successfully received our TRX in our wallet. You can see I got credited around 185 watts of TRX after it was successful. So let's go over to our Binance to convert it and see how much profit our 185 TRX, that's going to give us around 59 USD. So we just made around $3 profit, because we started with around $56, and we ended up making we ended up with $59 minus our initial capital, which was the $56. So we just made around $3. Since this is Naira, we can convert it to Naira. $1 is equivalent to 1,000, which is around 4,000 per trade. You can do this up to 10 times every day. If you can do it up to 10 times every day, you can be making around 46k. You can do it more, you can. Okay, so we just made $3 profits 3 times, 10 times a day. You can be making around $30 or even more, depending on how you can still keep making more trades. The more you trade, the more profits you can be making. Because so guys, that's exactly how this works. So I'm going to also be dropping my Telegram channel in the description of this video. Please make sure you join my Telegram, and also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because we are trying to grow. I'm trying to grow this channel. Please make sure you give this video a like to help this channel grow. Thank you guys, and bye for now.